This is Plateau English Online.
This is Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to
Plateau English Online. Problem. Problem. Dumplings. Dumplings. Noodles. Noodles. Mutton. Mutton. Meat. Meat. Must. Must.
Hi, Fiona. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Good. Thanks for inviting me today.
Oh, no problem. What would you like to eat?
What do they have?
All the food is Tibetan food. Dumplings, mutton, noodles, things like that.
Okay, how about some noodles?
Noodles sounds good.
Okay.
Do you want big bowl or small bowl?
I'll have a big bowl.
Do you eat meat?
Yeah, meat's no problem. You eat meat, right?
Usually I do, but today I'm not eating meat.
Okay, so will you have noodles too?
I will have big bowl, but I won't have any meat.
Okay.
Then, what would you like to drink?
And what do they have?
They have black tea, milk tea, and butter tea.
Let me see. And what do you like?
I like milk tea. How about you?
Yeah, milk tea sounds good. Does it have sugar?
Usually it doesn't have sugar. I can ask them though. Do you want sugar?
Yes, please. I usually drink tea with sugar.
Okay. Oh, this one has meat. This must be yours.
Ah, right. This is mine. This one has no meat. It must be yours.
Yeah. This one has sugar. This must be yours.
Thank you. This one has no sugar. It must be yours.
Thank you.
Don't you drink tea with sugar?
Usually I don't drink tea with sugar.
What do you drink in your tea?
Usually I drink tea with salt.
Interesting. I must try it sometime.
Yeah, you should.